I'm Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Avenue KP Kludge Jr. is a Ghanaian-American aerospace engineer and civil servant, specializing in complex systems engineering and design. He is a senior NASA spacecraft systems engineer.
Is it true that you are the first African to, command a spacecraft in orbit from the NASA control room? Is that correct? Because we've heard that.
Well, yes, actually, we don't know of anyone yet. Yes, I did that in about 1990s, mid-90s.
I see.
Yes, when I commanded spacecraft from at Goddard. So, and so far we have a few that may have followed, but at that time.
But you are the pioneer.
Yes.
For the African continent, at least.
Kludge has held positions at various NASA centers, including the NASA Langley Research Center in Virginia and NASA Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland, where he became, if not the first African, the first Ghanaian to ever fly, command and control a spacecraft in orbit, including the ERBS and TRMM spacecrafts, etc. for NASA from a mission control center. He designed the Human Locator System, which he called the HU-LOS, in partial fulfillment of the requirements for his master's degree at the Johns Hopkins University. The HU-LOS uses nanotechnology, microscopic technology, and is intended to locate human beings anywhere on this planet using satellite communication, GPS and other technologies. What made the system unique at the time of its conception, though considered weird by even his advisor, were the miniaturized size and the concept of global location. The device is to be implanted under the human skull, skin bone or teeth and activated when required. The system as envisioned could be used e.g. in locating missing children, the elderly, stolen cars and hardened criminals. The thesis, which contains the design, is currently at the Applied Physics Laboratory of the Johns Hopkins University. In 2004, Kludge and a group of NASA engineers developed the Extravehicular Activity Infrared (EVA-IR) camera for spacewalking astronauts. The EVA-IR camera was designed to fulfill a critical inspection need for the shuttle program. The on-orbit IR camera can detect crack and surface defects in the reinforced carbon-carbon (RCC) sections of the Space Shuttle's thermal protection system. This camera may help discover and prevent some of the problems leading to the disintegration of the Space Shuttle Columbia. Kludge was selected to join the NASA Engineering and Safety Center, NESC, an organization created after the Columbia incident, as a systems engineering expert. Before joining the NESC, Kludge was the manager of NASA Langley's state-of-the-art Integrated Design Center, IDC, which he helped to develop. He was also the traceability and verification manager for the CAL-IPSO spacecraft. His pioneering work in systems engineering has been published worldwide. He has a number of publications, several NASA and external awards and recognitions to his credit. Kludge is involved in several space initiatives, including the implementation of the US President's space exploration vision to the Moon and Mars, beyond. In 2002, Kludge was recognized and honored at the second biennial Adisadel College Excellence Awards at a ceremony at the State House in Accra, by the Adisadel College Old Boys Association and the college. He was profiled on Cable News Network, CNN, and the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC. Kludge was born in Hoho, in the Volta region of Ghana, the son of Anselmus Kludge, a legal reformer who served as a justice of the Supreme Court of Ghana. He arrived in the United States in the late 1980s with only a high school diploma from the Adisadel College in Cape Coast, Ghana, and A levels from Swedru Secondary School. Shortly after his arrival in the United States, he enrolled at Rutgers University, where he set out to pursue a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. He went on to complete a master's degree in systems engineering at Johns Hopkins University, followed by a PhD in systems engineering at George Washington University. After graduation, he contemplated a return to Ghana to pursue an interest in the development of various solar gadgets and merchandise, including solar freezer, solar air conditioning, solar water heater, solar lamps, etc. He believed strongly that, for Africa to develop, it must use its natural resources and incorporate technologies that benefit the continent. He considered the sun to be a natural resource and its use may be of great benefit to the continent. Kludge, who grew up in Dansuman, Sahara, a suburb of Accra, made a name for himself as a young genius, who was fascinated with science at an early age. He had a reputation for questioning almost everything, and also for his unusual